I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on a Hyundai Sonata. First, park your car on a flat surface, about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is correct, as this impacts headlight aim. Then, measure the height from the ground to the center of your headlight lenses. This measurement is crucial for setting your initial reference point on the wall. Let's get started. Now, transfer that headlight center height to the wall, drawing a horizontal line. Next, measure the distance between the centers of your headlights and mark 2 vertical lines on the wall, corresponding to each headlight center. These marks will serve as your aiming points. Double-check that your Sonata is precisely 25 feet from the wall to ensure accurate adjustments. This setup is key for proper alignment. With your car positioned and the wall marked, it's time to adjust. Open your hood and locate the adjustment screws on the back of each headlight assembly. There's usually one for vertical and one for horizontal movement. Use a screwdriver to turn the vertical screw, bringing the top edge of the headlight beam down to your horizontal line. Then, adjust the horizontal screw so the brightest part of the beam aligns with its respective vertical line. After adjusting both headlights, step back and observe the overall pattern on the wall. Ensure both beams are symmetrical and correctly aimed. Take your Hyundai Sonata for a test drive on a dark, level road to confirm the adjustments provide optimal visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. Fine-tune if necessary. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Proper headlight aim significantly improves night driving safety for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.